Hello beautiful souls. If your morning's feeling a bit scattered, you're in the right place. Get cozy, let your eyes soften or close, place a hand on your chest and one on your belly. And let's take a small inhale, then another sip of air, and a long, slow exhale through the mouth. Do that 2 more times. And I want you to take a whisper and say to yourself, I am here, I am now. I want you to feel grounded. Feel your feet and the seat beneath you stable and supportive. Notice 3 things around you. Notice 3 points of contact your body makes with the chair or the floor. Now breathe in for 4, 3, 2, 1, and out for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and again in your mind, breathe in for 4, and out for 6. Do this for 4 rounds. Between breaths, let these words land. Breathe, relax, calm. Soften your shoulders, your jaw, your brow, and your hands. If the mind wanders, gently return to the longer exhale. Silently repeat, I am radiant, whole, and complete. I am expanding into greater possibilities. This moment is enough. I have what I need. I know who I am and where I'm meant to be. I am joyful and optimistic. I trust my capabilities to meet today's challenges. Bring to mind one meaningful priority for today. Just one. See it clearly, already in motion. Ask yourself, what's the small action? What keeps it moving? And how will I know it's done for me? See yourself start, continue, and complete with calm attention. Inhale gently and say, one thing, one step, I can do this. If I feel scattered today, then I take one small exhale and do the next smallest action. Return to your natural breath. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Roll your shoulders. Soften your face. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Carry this steadiness with you today. Begin with your first small action, gently and confidently. May your mind be calm, may your steps be simple, and may your work carry you forward. Namaste.